Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Today we're going to talk about the differences between community solar gardens and owning your personal solar and what's the right choice. Well, the first place I stopped was at the Corcoran Solar Garden. And as you can see, this is a big, massive garden that goes on and on. Someday it'll be surrounded by houses. You can also see there's nothing else out here. Now, to me, the problem with doing something like this is when you create electricity in a faraway place, you're never going to see the electrons. So you buy your 2, 4, 6 modules, however many it's going to be, and your electrons are going to go to the neighbor or the closest user up the street. What you're going to end up getting is the electrons coming from the power company down to where you are. And what you pay at that time is a premium in order to simply say, I'm in a community solar garden. Now let's talk about the benefits of installing your own personal solar system. You get to a beautiful rural area like this, idyllic setting, and you can see we're putting a system in big enough to mitigate everything, including for his geothermal in there. Now, the nice thing about having your own solar is you get to keep all your own electrons. They aren't coming from the power company. You don't lose any along the way. You get to keep and use all of them on site. Not only that, the electricity coming out of these systems is pretty clean compared to what you're going to get up the power line, especially the farther down the power line you are. So you've got all this nice clean energy going into your house. The equipment in your house is going to last longer. That's a benefit as well. Now let's talk about the money. Well, you might have to get a loan, you might have to do something, but after 4 to 5 years of paying that loan and paying for this equipment and installation, you don't have to pay any more to the power company. All right, what does the Turbine Guy say? Turbine Guy says, screw those community gardens. You don't want to be giving extra money away. You don't get those electrons. Hey, you live downtown in a condo, you want to feel better? Go ahead. Get yourself signed up for a community garden. But you got your own home. It only makes sense to put the solar on, and after a 4 to 5 year investment, you don't have an electric bill. No matter how much the price of electricity goes up, you are protected and covered. Turbine Guy says, take care of yourself, take care of your family, do it, and go green.